Mitsubishi Corporation is a multifaceted industrial conglomerate with a storied past. Founded in 1870 by Yotaro Iwasaki, it began as Tsukumo Shokai, a shipping company with just 3 chartered ships. By 1873, the company was renamed Mitsubishi Shokai, with Mitsubishi symbolizing 3 diamonds, a motif now recognizable in its logo. Early success in shipping was bolstered by ties with the Japanese government, allowing Mitsubishi to transport both military and civilian cargo. The turn of the 20th century saw Mitsubishi diversifying into mining, shipbuilding, and machinery manufacturing, culminating in the production of Japan's first automobile, the Mitsubishi Model A, in 1917. During World War II, Mitsubishi's industrial prowess was on display as it manufactured warplanes, including the iconic Zero fighter used by the Japanese Air Force. Post-war, the Allied forces dismantled the zaibatsu, or Japanese business conglomerates, causing Mitsubishi to split into smaller companies. Nevertheless, these entities thrived, and by the 1950s, they gradually regrouped under the Mitsubishi Group umbrella to rebuild and expand. The period from the 1960s to 2000 marked an era of significant growth and diversification. Mitsubishi ventured into automobiles, electronics, chemicals, aviation, and banking, with subsidiaries like Mitsubishi Motors and Mitsubishi Electric establishing themselves as industry leaders. Cars like the Mitsubishi Lancer and Mitsubishi Pajero gained international acclaim, while Mitsubishi Electric became a key player in the electronics sector. Entering the new millennium, Mitsubishi focused on global expansion and sustainability. Although faced with challenges, including quality scandals in the automotive division, the company exhibited resilience by overcoming crises and continuing product innovation. Today, Mitsubishi operates across a spectrum of industries: automobiles, aviation, finance, energy, and chemicals, demonstrating its enduring capacity to adapt and evolve. Mitsubishi epitomizes the Japanese economic miracle, transforming from a modest shipping company into a colossal industrial conglomerate. Its legacy is sealed by a history of market adaptation and relentless innovation, earning it a key place in both the Japanese and global economies.